Hi, you guys. Let's unbox and install this toaster. This is the Bella, how you liking the rain, girl? 2-slice toaster. Oh, it's cute, easy to clean. They said snap, they said clock. That's really cute. Very chill. Some settings on here. We've got bagel, we've got defrost, we've got reheat, we've got cancel. Really cute. It's actually such a vibe. You can take that sticker off, but yeah, that's the Bella toaster. It was like 40 bucks on Amazon. And if you guys want me to try it on camera, let me know and let me know what I should put in it, and I will. Anyway, love you guys.